is the spotlight feature. I will use it to access all of the other 5 things that I will be talking about. This is a great feature that I can use to search anything on my computer or to use as a calculator or to use as a thesaurus or dictionary. Okay, it will instantly help me find definitions for students, like if I was looking for feather, it might bring up any messages, PDF documents. I can also look it up or search the web for feathers. The second thing is already on my screen here. These are the stickies. I can use these to take notes that I can leave on my desktop. I have one here stating my assignment for the evening, and I also have one to store hyperlinks for my theme for the Apple Foundations training. The next thing is the QuickTime Player, which we're using right now. It gives me, I can search it in my bar here, and I find it right there. It's an application. I can make a screen recording like I'm doing right now, or I can also make a new audio recording or a movie recording that records my face as well as my voice. These are great tools for recording student reading or activities in the classroom, and the screenshot recording is great for showing kids how to do things. The next tool we covered today is Preview, which is a way to view PDFs. It's a great tool for let's see if it opens here. Here we go. We'll open a recent. This was a PDF that we kind of created today in class. My topic for my theme is pebbles, sand, and silt. We focus on learning about soil and rocks and other earth materials in the spring. So I kind of asked my kids an overall guided reading comprehension question about the article. What new information did you learn from this article? And I wanted them to demonstrate it for me when they were done. I highlighted some important vocabulary words and asked students to define them. And I can also draw shapes around important things located in the article. At the end, I have another question for them to recall what the process of making soil is. In the first grade classroom, this would probably be very guided. I couldn't give my students this to do on their own, but it's a great tool for highlighting those important things. The last thing that I want to demonstrate is in the system preferences. I clicked on the wrong thing here. There are a number of different things you can do. If you go to Universal Access, there's great things for students with handicaps or disabilities that you can voice over, which will allow the Apple to read you what you are watching. There's the zoom feature, which allows you to find a spot on the screen to zoom in on for those students. And among other things, the mouse and trackpad can also be changed to your specific settings. Okay, lastly, within the Apple browser Safari, you can use the Reader button if it works to pull up an article and remove all advertisements and excess. Within this, you can search specific words for meaning, or you could do further research by searching the internet for the words by right-clicking. I can highlight a majority of the article and add it to iTunes as a track for students to listen to. I can ask it to read it to me. I can search Google or look up the word. And those are just a few of the things I learned today in Apple Foundations training. Thanks.